Think all fishing rod combos are the same. Wait until you see the sets we've tested. They could change your time on the water forever. The Sugayalang Fishing Rod Reel Combo instantly grabbed my attention with its sleek design and practical carrying case. It feels noticeably lightweight in your hand, yet offers enough strength to handle bigger catches. The reel operates smoothly, making casting easier than ever, even for someone just starting out. I found the overall build to be sturdy and reliable, with anti-corrosion features that make it a solid choice for both fresh and saltwater fishing. The combo also comes with a convenient selection of lures and line, so you're ready to fish out of the box. The Plusino Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is perfect for anglers who value versatility and portability. The telescopic rod collapses down to an impressively compact size, which means tossing it in a backpack is effortless. The rod itself is well balanced, with enough sensitivity to feel every bite and a comfortable non-slip grip for those long hours by the water. I loved how smooth the reel action was and how quick it is to set up, making spontaneous trips so much easier. If there's something to point out, the included line may not suit everyone's preference, but replacing it is simple. Wouldn't you love the freedom of always having your rod ready for any adventure? This combo is made for that spontaneity. Trying out the Balanzi Fishing Rod and Reel Combo was a pleasantly surprising experience. At first, I was drawn in by its affordability, but I stayed for the quality construction and comfortable handling. The lightweight design feels great in the hand, and the reel turns effortlessly, making it a breeze to cast repeatedly. I especially appreciated the smooth drag, which gives you confidence when fighting medium-sized fish. While the rod is sturdy, the reel might feel a bit basic if you're accustomed to higher-end gear, but it's more than capable for regular fishing trips. The GoTour Fishing Rod and Reel Combo delivers a balanced blend of durability and sensitive action. Its carbon fiber construction provides impressive power without adding weight, and the rod feels nimble yet strong during use. Setting up was straightforward, and the reel handles line very smoothly with minimal backlash. I enjoyed how responsive everything felt. Every small nibble is transmitted through the rod. Though the included accessories are a nice bonus, they're a bit limited, so bringing extra tackle may be smart. Ever wanted a rod that keeps you ready for anything the water throws your way? The GoTour Combo gives you that confidence every cast. The KastKing Zephyr Fishing Rod and Reel Combo immediately won me over with its eye-catching design and silky reel action. This combo feels incredibly refined and lightweight, perfect for anglers who appreciate precision. The rod's sensitivity makes detecting subtle strikes remarkably easy, and the reel's drag system is smooth yet powerful when that big catch finally bites. There's a genuine sense of control every time you cast, making hours by the water even more enjoyable. The price is a little higher compared to basic combos, but the elevated quality is obvious. After testing the Penn Battle Spinning Reel and Fishing Rod Combo, it was clear why this set is a favorite among experienced anglers. The rod offers exceptional strength and control, and the reel features a robust metal build that feels indestructible. Whether you're tackling saltwater or going after trophy-sized fish, you'll appreciate how effortlessly it handles heavy loads. The drag adjustment is precise, which helps land bigger catches smoothly. However, the higher price might not suit casual hobbyists. Are you looking for a rod combo that feels professional from the very first cast? The Penn Battle raises the bar for any fishing adventure. Blue's Crappie Thunder Reel and Fishing Rod Combo is a reliable companion for anyone who enjoys targeting panfish. The rod is surprisingly lightweight, yet responsive, while the reel performs consistently with smooth retrievals. I found the grip comfortable, helping me focus on the action instead of readjusting my hold. It is designed specifically with crappie and smaller species in mind, which means it excels at finesse rather than brute strength. If you occasionally chase larger fish, you might want something sturdier. But for its intended use, it's spot on. The KastKing Centron Fishing Rod and Reel Combo gave me a strong first impression with its quality materials and thoughtful assembly. The rod features a comfortable EVA grip that stays secure even when your hands are wet, and the reel delivers smooth and reliable performance on long retrieves. Its medium power and fast action make it versatile, adapting well to different species and fishing styles. After several outings, I noticed the setup was slightly heavier than travel rods, but the enhanced durability makes up for it. Ever wish you had a single combo that could handle most fishing scenarios?